timber sash replacement of a bottom sash by a timber sash repair SE. Reason for the repair: bottom sash, bottom rails are gone, and the stiles. This is the stiles, for who you don't know, and this is the bottom rail. A lot of times the meeting rail goes as well, but this one is intact. You know, there's water soaking up underneath the bottom of the sill, so causing the window to rot. So this is the old window. Damaged badly, and if you can see, there's no draft proofing on the meeting rail of the old one, and this is the replacement. We put draft proof there so that when the window is closed, you get a proper seal. That's the replacement double glazed unit. Replacement bottom sash done by Timber Sash Repair SC. See, new replacement bottom one. All the others are existing windows done to match.